Hi everyone, today I'd like to show you how to use the KEYDIY to generate KEYDIY superchip KEYDIY26. By the way, you can also choose to generate it using KEYDIY Math or KEYDIY Put the chip to its coil. Chip function. As we all know, in order to use the chip properly, it is necessary to generate the corresponding chip type based on the vehicle information. You can select any of the chip menus to generate it. For example, if you want to generate Toyota AA chip, you can enter this menu to generate it. Okay, success. If you want to generate 48A Volkswagen chip, you can enter this menu to generate it. Generate successfully. Okay.